Dearest heart, it's the price of transformation, and you are avoiding it. No, it's time to become whole again. It's time to restore balance and harmony and welcome your true awakening that has aligned with your divine timing. So, what if a part of your vital essence has been separated to bring about necessary changes for this process? It is renewing itself to get in touch with your new awakening. It is doing its work and healing itself. But why are you not doing your own work? Why are you doing something contrary to what this fragment wants for you? My child, why are you getting sad and emotional so frequently over things that you can easily control or avoid? And why are you turning too much to Google or AI for your project? My child, you need to know the universe is shifting planets and realigning stars only for this true awakening. The energies of Uranus, the planet of innovation and revolution, are stirring within you, prompting you to break free from old patterns or available knowledge on digital platform. The awakening force of Pluto is also at play, revealing hidden truths and empowering you to take control of your destiny. The universe is working very hard to create a vortex of change and renew your vital essence. So, it's essential to attune yourself to these cosmic forces and release the patterns that you are consciously choosing to behave. My child, if you find it difficult or your current circumstances don't allow for it, you can breathe through your spiritual eyes to find peace, clarity, and attunement with these cosmic forces. For this, sit comfortably, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths. Now focus on your third eye. Imagine a point once each over your eyebrows. Now, as you inhale, imagine fresh energy or light entering through this point, filling your mind and body with calmness and clarity. As you exhale, imagine any tension, stress, or negativity leaving your body, creating space for peace and tranquility. You have to repeat this process for at least 10 minutes, focusing on the sensation of breathing through this point. You can use a mantra or simply focus on the breath. It's your choice. But in your visualization, you have to inhale or exhale through this point. My child, remember to embrace the new, the unknown, and the untapped potential that lies within you. It's essential to allow the energies of the universe to flow through you. We, your spiritual guides, can help or guide you in this process. But it's your journey, it's your path, and you have to walk it yourself. So just don't allow this stirring of the planets to distract you from your path. Let these planets do their work and you do yours without any influence. We have given you the key to it. So use it for peace, clarity, innovation, or revolution, and take control of your destiny. The awakening of your soul is tied to the celestial rhythms. And now is the time to attune yourself to these cosmic forces. With infinite love, thank you.